Hey guys, welcome to GKS Math classes. As we have completed the analytical coordinate geometry successfully, now we are moving forward to discuss the very important topic in algebra, that is functions. Due to lack of time, in the problems itself, we are going to discuss the basic concepts and the important techniques and shortcuts formula in the problems. So, let's start the video. If f of x is equal to x minus a, x minus b by x, and f of x by x minus y, x minus z, plus f of y by y minus z, y minus x, plus f of z by z minus x, z minus y is equal to k by x, y, z. It is given. Then what is k? That is the question. So observe carefully. F of x is equal to x minus a, x minus b by x. So here we can substitute instead of fx, x minus a, x minus b by x. If you compare to get it cancelled, instead of y we are having a, and instead of z we are having b. So put y is equal to a, z is equal to b. Put y is equal to a, z is equal to b in the given equation. What happened? F of x by x minus a, instead of y we are substituting a, instead of z we are substituting b, plus then f of y, that means f of a by y minus z, a minus b, y minus x, that is a minus x. So if you take here f of a means a minus a, that is 0. So the total will be 0, because what is f of x actually? X minus a, x minus b. F of a, if you put instead of x a minus a will be 0. Similarly, f of z, that is z minus a, z minus b. Instead of z we have to put b, that is f of b by z minus x, z minus, that is z. Instead of z we are substituting b minus x and b minus a. So however, this will get cancelled, f of b. This term also will become 0. K by x is x, instead of y a, instead of z b. So these two are zeros. What is f of x? Actually we are having x minus a, x minus b by x into x minus a into x minus b. That is equal to k by x a b. So these two terms gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, k is equal to ab. We are required to find what is k. So k is equal to ab, that is third choice. If f of x is equal to 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3, then f of 1 by 1996 plus f of 2 by 1996 plus and so on, f of 1995 by 1996 is what? That is the question. If you observe carefully, we are having f of x is equal to 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. I take f of 1 minus x. Instead of x, we are substituting 1 minus x. 9 power 1 minus x by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. Observe carefully. F of x is equal to 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. Instead of x we are substituting 1 minus x. 9 power 1 minus x by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. What happened? This is 9 by 9 power x. This is 9 by 9 power x plus 3. Okay. So we get 9 by 9 power x into 9 plus 3 into 9 power x by 9 power x. So these two gets cancelled. What we are having? 9 by 9 plus 3 into 9 power x. If you take 3 as common, 3 into 3 by 3 into 9 power x plus 3. Again you get here. 3 gets cancelled. 3 by 9 power x plus 3. So, f of 1 minus x is 3 by 9 power x plus 3. So, f of x plus f of 1 minus x is 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3 plus 3 by 9 power x plus 3. See, denominators are same. If you add the numerators, gets cancelled, you get 1. So, what you have to take? First you take 1 by 1996 here and put 1 by 1996 here. So, f of x plus f of 1 minus x, first and last term you get. So, f of 1 by 1996 plus f of 1 minus 1 by 1996 is 1995 by 1996. So, first and last, second and the last but one. If you go on adding 2 by 1996, f of, instead of 1 minus 2 by 1996 like this, go on adding. So, what will, up to which term you will be having? F of 997 by 1996 plus f of 1 minus 997 by 1996. So, you will have 999 here. The last term, the ordered pairs, 2, 2 if you take, these are the connected one. What is left behind? F of 998 by 1996 is left behind. It is not having any connective word. Connective value. So, if you take this order is 1, this order is 1, this order is 1. How many ones? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 997 times. 997 times once you get plus 991's 2's, f of 1 by 2 here. 997 is 997 plus f of 1 by 2, if you put here 1 by 2 here. So, what is 1 by 2? F of 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 is 1. 2 f of 1 by 2 is 1, f of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. 997.5, that is second choice, 997.5. This is very typical type problems which you have to look into the question thoroughly and to understand. If you get such type of questions, you can analyze the question and solve with the usage of these functions how we are taking. If f is an even function defined on the interval open -5 to 5, then find the total number of real values of x satisfying the equations f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. It is mentioned here, even function. What is even function? F of minus x is equal to f of x. Then it is even function. F of x is equal to this. That means we take x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2 is 1. And f of minus x is also f of x. That is minus x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. Both are same. F of minus x is also same thing. F of x is also same thing. So, if you take x plus 1 by x plus 2 should be same. If you take minus x, it should be equal to the same thing, x plus 1 by x plus 2. How we are going to do this? X square plus 2x is equal to x plus 1. That is cross multiplication. X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. This is 1 plus 4 greater than 0. Real and distinct. Two real values of x. Next. Minus x square minus 2x is equal to x plus 1. Send it to right hand side. X square plus 2x plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Discriminant. B square minus 4ac. This is 9 minus 4, 5. This is also greater than 0. 2 real values. 2 plus 2, 4 real values. However, we will have 4 real values of x. Let G maps R to R be given by g of x is equal to 3 plus 4x. Okay. Real numbers to real numbers, and the function is defined as 3 plus 4x. If g and x is g circle and so on n times, g circle and so on n times will be g power nx. G power nx is p plus qx. Then what are the values of p and q? That is the question given. So first I take g circle gx, that is g of gx. So g of, what is gx? We are having 3 plus 4x. Okay, here 3 plus 4, instead of x we have to substitute 3 plus 4x. So 3 plus 12 plus 16x, that is 15 plus 16x. 15 can be written as 4 square minus 1. 4 square is 16 minus 1. This is 4 square x. So that is p plus qx. P plus qx. This is g circle means g2x. G2 we are having 2. G3 we will have 3. Gn 4 power n minus 1, 4 power n. So 4 power n minus 1 and 4 power n is second choice. The domain of the function f of x is equal to sine inverse log x by 4 to base 4 plus square root of 17x minus x square minus 16. Okay. First we take this function, sine inverse x. What is the domain of sine inverse x? My closed minus 1, 1. The range is closed minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then only sine inverse will be defined. So sine inverse this value, the entire x value lies in between minus 1 and plus 1. So minus 1 is less than or equal to log x by 4 to base 4 is less than or equal to 1. So take 4 to this. 4 power minus 1 x by 4, 4 power 1. So you will have 1 by 4 x by 4, 4. So 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 16. Keep it aside. Then take the second one. What is that? Under root should be greater than or equal to 0. Under root. Under square root, the value should be greater than or equal to 0. If at all this root is in denominator, under root should be only greater than 0. It should not be equal to 0. That is the thing to be noted. Multiplying by minus x square minus 17x plus 16 less than or equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 16, x square minus 16x minus x minus 17x plus 16. We have with us the formula x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. X lies in between alpha and beta. We have with us quadratic expression formula. So x should lie in between 1 and 16. So both the terms tallied. So our answer is closed 1 comma 16. If f satisfies the relation f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2f of x into f of y, that is the question. And given f of 0 is not equal to 0, then find the value of f of 2 minus f of minus 2. Okay, here put y is equal to x. What happened? X plus x 2x, x minus x 0 is equal to 2f of x into, instead of 5 we are substituting x, f of x. Then Put y is equal to minus 6. If you put instead of y minus 6, it gets cancelled and f of 0. If you put minus 6, minus into minus will be plus f of 2x is equal to 2f of x into f of instead of y minus 6. Compare f of 2x plus f of 0, f of 2x plus f of 0. Both are equal in the left hand side. So both should be equal in the right hand side. 2f of x into f of x is equal to 2f of x into f of minus 6. If it gets cancelled, we get f of x is equal to f of minus 6. Put x is equal to 2. Then what happens? F of 2 is equal to f of minus 2. F of 2 minus f of minus 2 will be what? 0. So your option is third choice. Clear to you? F of x plus y, f of x minus y, 2f of x, f of y. First we have to take y is equal to x substitute. Then put y is equal to minus 6. Both left hand sides are equal. So equal the right hand side. 2f of x, it is gets cancelled. F of x is equal to f of minus 6. So instead of x 2, f of 2 is equal to f of minus 2. Bring it to the left hand side. F of 2 minus f of minus 2 is 0. Third choice. Let gx is equal to f of x minus 1. If f of x plus f of minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 2 for all values of x belongs to R, then gx is symmetrical about what? Whether origin or the line y is equal to 1 by 2 or the point 1 is equal to 0 or to the point 1 by 2 comma 0. Now let us take gx is equal to f of x minus 1. I take g of 1 minus 6. Here x, here x. Here 1 minus 6, here 1 minus 6 minus 1. If we add g of x plus g of 1 minus 6 is equal to f of x plus f of 1 minus 6 minus 1, 2. So here it is given f of x plus f of 1 minus 6 is 2. So instead of this we can put 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So g of x plus g of 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 plus x instead of x. G of 1 by 2 plus x plus g of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus x. G of half plus x plus g of 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 minus 6. So g of 1 by 2 plus x plus g of 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 0. It is symmetrical about the point 1 by 2 comma 0. If you take plus this way, this is. So it is symmetrical about the point 1 by 2 comma 0. Fourth choice. Okay, now if f is a polynomial such that f of 1 minus x by 1 plus x into f of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to f of 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus f of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, where x is not equal to 0 and plus or minus 1. Okay, it's specified. F of 3 is equal to 28. It is given. We are required to find the value of 1 by 605 sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 f of n minus 1. It is very simple. See here, if you consider it to be x, f of x, this is reciprocal. F of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. So f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. It is of the form f of x is equal to plus or minus x power n plus 1. That is formula. If the formula is so, f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of x is equal to plus or minus x power n plus 1. Okay, here the hint is given. F of 3 means 3 power n plus 1 is equal to 28 means n is equal to 3. Then, so f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. f of x is equal to x cube plus 1. N is equal to 1 to 10. That means f of n minus 1 is equal to n cube. N cube means sigma n is equal to 1 to 10 n cube, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, that is 4. 10 we have to substitute. 10 tens are 100, that is 121 by 4, 25 ones, 25 twos are 50, 52, 25 ones are 25 plus 5, 30, 3025 divided by 605, by 605, 5 0, 25, 0, 2, 30, yes. So your answer is 4. So keep it in mind. F of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. We have to take f of x is equal to plus or minus x power n plus 1. 3, hint is given. 3, that is x cube, 3 cube plus, 3 power n plus 1. What in general 3 cube is 27 plus 1 is 28. So we take x cube plus 1. If you put n here, n cube. So f of n minus 1 means we have to take n cube, 1 by 605. This is. So what is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. That is substituted. Instead of n, put 10. 10 square is 100, 10 plus 1. 11 whole square is 121 by 4. This is 3025 by 605 is 5. Fourth choice. For x belongs to R, the function f of x satisfies 2f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to x square. Then find the value of 4. How we are going to find? Here put x is equal to 1 minus 6. 2f of 1 minus 6. 1 minus 1 minus 6. 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 6 is f of x is equal to 1 minus x whole square. So in order to get it cancelled, I multiply this equation by 2. So you will have 4f of x plus 2f of 1 minus 6 is equal to 2x square, and f of x plus 2f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Observe carefully. Subtracting one from the other. 3f of x is equal to 2x square minus 1 minus x whole square. 2x square minus x square plus 2x minus 1. So f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1 by 3. So what we are required to find? F of 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 square 16, 4 2s are 8 minus 1 by 3. 24 minus 1 is 23 by 3, that is second choice. Keep it in mind. Interchanging x to 1 minus 6. Here we get 1 minus 6, 1 minus 1 minus 6. 1 gets cancelled. Minus of minus 6 is plus 6. Instead of x, we are substituting 1 minus 6 whole square. In order to cancel this one, we have to multiply the first equation by 2 that has been written in the form, and second equation as usual in the down step. Subtracting one from the other, we get f of x. Substituting f of 4, we get the value. Rock on.